Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem your Asda gift cards online. First, go to asda.com, then log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, on the homepage, click on More. Then click Gift Cards from the drop-down menu. Here, enter the 16-digit gift card number and then the 4-digit PIN. Click on Check Balance and then redeem the card. You can also use the Asda Gift Card for shopping online directly. Find the goods that you like and then check out. Choose gift cards to pay with a gift card as a payment method. Enter the gift card number and the 4-digit scratch-off panel code. Click Add Gift Card to make a purchase with the gift card. This is how you can redeem your Asda gift cards to shop online. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.